Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to unbox and review the FiiO FD15 iems, and this video is going to be very exciting because this is my first time trying an IEM from FiiO, because I have tried many products from FiiO but not an IEM. So I am very excited to test it. So this is FiiO 15. It's a single dynamic in-ear monitor and it's a flagship IEM. Its price is $150. So I will test it and then I will share my honest opinion with you guys. So first of all, you can see that the box is also very good and it's a big box. So let's unbox it first. So you can see that the packaging is very premium and good. It feels good. So first of all, this is a quick start guide which will be needed by some. So this is our FiiO IEM FD15. I will take them out later. So let's see what's inside this box. Well, it's heavy. Wow, my first experience ever. So like, what's this actually? Is it a shell, a plastic shell for your accessories? It looks very good and I like it. So these are the accessories which we will see later. I can't show you all because this will make my video longer. So this is actually very likable and I like it. Let's see our IEMs. So these are FiiO FD15. Wow, the cables are absolutely monstrous. They are very big and huge and looks very strong in hands. Like, I feel it. So you can see the cables are very thick and big and huge. So I am very excited to test it. Very excited. So you can see it's a 4-strand cable and they look very big. I have zoomed in for you so you can see it for yourself that the cables are pretty strong and very big. Now let's talk about our IEMs. So look wise, they have the most, I would say, minimalistic look, but I think that's FiiO design as well. What do you think, guys? I have not much opinion on their design. They are minimalistic, but that's a design for most of the FiiO IEMs. And well, they look heavy in hands. They feel heavy in hands actually. And they have a stainless steel shell and it's available in 2 colors. And you can see that it's shiny, brighty, and you can see everything in it. For example, if I zoom in for you, so you can see everything in it. So without further ado, I think I should now test it and then I will come back with my honest opinion with you guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I am very excited to test it. I hope they sound good. Well, I wanted to show you these accessories as well because some of you may demand it. So these 5 are all ear tips accessories, and this one is extendable headphone jack, and these are tuning nozzles which I will try also, and this is a little brush. So that's for your comfort so that you may not ask me in the comments. Hi guys, welcome to my review section. I have used this IEM for a week now and I will be sharing my honest opinion with you guys. I will talk about its sound quality later. First, let's talk about some other things. As I told you guys in the beginning of the video that I have used many FiiO products but not an IEM. This is my first one and I have a lot to say about it. First, let's talk about its fit and comfort level, which is very necessary for you guys to know. So in terms of fit, it 100% fits in my ears, and it surprised me too because it looked a little big but fit very well in my ears, which are small. So I think it will be good for everyone. And another thing which I noticed in this IEM is that you can rotate and adjust the cable as you see fit and like. I haven't seen this thing before. It's actually good. Now the comfort level. They were 100% comfortable in my ears and I had no problems wearing it. But let me tell you one thing here, that the shell is a bit heavy, meaning not too heavy neither light, but you can feel it's weighty a bit, but it's fine overall. Now let's talk about the most important topic, that is its sound quality. Look friends, it's a very technical IEM to understand, so I'm not going to complicate things for you guys, and I will try to give you a simple presentation possible of its sound quality. It is very close to a balanced sounding IEM overall, but it's not like some of the other balanced sound quality that we have in other IEMs. It is very structured and detailed IEM in terms of its sound. You can feel it. Not a single frequency of sound, I mean mostly bass, treble and mids, is dominating the other. All are working together to produce a one balanced sound which we hear directly. Here the quality of bass is very hard to identify. Number one, this is not a bassy IEM at all. Number two, there is no deep bass as well. The bass here is not too pleasant to hear, not too bad. It's mixed. Sometimes it feels good, sometimes you get bored. The bass is thick but not a soft and a smooth one. It's very punchy and very hard, which makes it a bass but not a gentle one. Vocals are straightforward, very clear, transparent and sharp. Treble is also good, not punchy according to me. So that's why it's overall more of a balanced lookalike IEM, which it's generally and technically not. But we don't have its other representation either. And I have changed the tuning nozzles as well, and the only change I found was that it became more natural and more towards balanced sound quality. So here ends my sound quality chapter for this IEM. If I were to judge this IEM based only on its sound quality, I would give it 3.5 out of 5 stars. I give 3 stars to a good decent IEM and 4 stars to impressive one. This lies in between. Now it's time for my recommendation. Listen to me carefully. Overall, I give 4 out of 5 stars to this IEM. 3.5 was only for its sound quality. If you are interested in this IEM, I have given a discount code in the top of my description. This will save you $10, which is a lot. Use it if you are interested. Thank you.